Hello everyone. Today I'm really excited because I placed an order with Grow Collaborative and my package just came, but it looks like my box is slightly damaged. Hopefully the guts inside is not damaged. It looks like something is leaking because the box is really soft and it wasn't raining today. So we'll see. We'll open it together. What we got? They had a special. Oh, this is cool. I got a walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. Made in Canada. Cool. I'm trying the Hello Charcoal toothpaste. Supposed to be a tooth whitener. We'll see. What else did I get here? Oh, I got this stoneware tray for free. We'll open that later. Let's get all the goodies out the box and see what's damaged. I'm trying the Method. What is this? Anti-bac toilet cleaner. It says it's spearmint scented. And it does smell minty. What else do we have? Oh, we got a little caddy. Keep the cleaning products organized. And it has the logo on the front. Got some cleaning wipes. 7th generation cleaning wipes. This is Myers hand soap. What else do we have? Dr. Bronner's Lavender Organic Sanitizing Spray. I think this is cool for traveling and to keep in my pocketbook. Oh, this is what spilled. Mrs. Myers, Clean Day. This is a multi-surface cleaner. Some of it is gone. And then I have the bathroom cleaner by Method. Let's get it all. Oh, I got a glass spray bottle. And a lot of stuff. There's only one thing that spilled, so that's a good thing. I got the Daily Shower Cleaner by Method. Mrs. Myers Clean Day Dish Soap. To wash the dishes. This is my first time trying this. Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Organic Hands and Body Lotion. The reviews weren't that great, but I love Dr. Bronner's liquid soap, so I just decided to give the lotion a try. And this is a Grow Collaborative product, Soothing Rosemary and Lavender Soap. Should smell good. Oh, it's made with organic coconut and olive oils. So it should be really good. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, cool. Got a glass spray bottle with the stone gray silicone base to protect the bottle. And I left a little container that they shipped it in, so it didn't get damaged. I think everything is cool except for the fact that I lost a little bit of product here. Probably about a quarter of the bottle was gone just because this wasn't screwed tight enough, but I guess that's a factory issue. So they had a special where you would get a caddy with a few free items. Oh, this is free too. This is a stone tray for the soap, dishes, sponges. I'm gonna use this in my kitchen, right next to the kitchen sink. So you can kind of line up your dish soap, your sponge, you know, the things that you use to wash your dishes on this cute little stoneware plate by Grow Collaborative. So this was a free gift, as well as this. And then a few of the cleaning products as well was complimentary. And then I spent a couple dollars extra. And I think I got a steal of a deal. I got a lot of product. Oh, this is plastic, great. The sanitizing spray. So I got a total of, let's see here. I got the caddy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16 items. And I believe I spent about $49 or $44, something like that. It was a really great buy because I got the stoneware tray and the caddy and a lot of cleaning supplies that should last me a pretty long time for my home. Oh no, 17. I didn't count the toothpaste. 17 items for 40-something dollars. So I think Grow Collaborative is really great. I'm gonna send them an email giving them a great review, and I'll let them know that I did lose some product, but I'm very pleased with the amount of items I received for the amount that I spent. Alrighty, well, I'll let you know how the products work. I'll give them a try and see how good they are. I really want to try this, and I'm excited about traveling with this. No, let me try it now, see. Oh, it's light and airy. It's cool. Oh, and it smells good too. It really has a lavender scent. This is Dr. Bronner's, but Grow Collaborative sells it. It's really, really cool. Alrighty, so I'll let you know how everything turns out.